Are you a fan of the Caesar salad? Do you want to know how it is prepared following the original recipe? Well, stay tuned as I present a step-by-step guide using the tableside presentation at the iconic Hotel Caesars in Tijuana, Mexico, where this famous salad was invented in 1927. Hola amigos, and welcome to Caesar's Restaurant with its signature black and white checkered floor, and of course the original home to the Caesar salad. Created by Cesar Cardini, an Italian-born American immigrant and restaurateur, Cardini moved to Tijuana from San Diego in the 1920s to escape the prohibition laws in the United States. One day he was entertaining friends and had very little to offer them, so he ran into his kitchen for the few ingredients he had available. Like Cardini, let's grab a wooden bowl and recreate the original Caesar salad.
Anchovy, garlic, mustard, vegan mustard, we'll wash this out. Parmesan cheese, egg yolk, thank you. And olive oil. So this is the bread.
Muchas gracias.
Provecho.
In Mexico, provecho is a common Spanish phrase to wish someone a good meal. And with this gorgeous display, how could you not? Crispy romaine lettuce and a creamy Caesar dressing topped with a crunchy crouton is salad perfection. For the full list of ingredients to prepare your own Caesar salad, check the description below and be sure to add any tips and tricks in the comments. And if you're interested in learning more about the best things to do in Tijuana, click on the info card above or the link in the description below for more interesting facts about the most visited border town in the world. Well, that's it for this video on how to prepare your very own Caesar salad using the original recipe. If you like this video, do us a favor and smash that like button for the almighty YouTube algorithm and consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Hasta luego!